This is how to check if an iPhone is locked for any network. First, unlock your phone. I'll put in my top secret PIN code right there. Okay. This is a two-step process once you've unlocked your phone. The first is go into the settings. Scroll down till you see General, tap on that, then tap on About, and scroll all the way down until you see IMEI. Tap and hold on here, and then tap Copy. Remember the last two numbers of this 15-digit code because we're going to need those in just a second. So we'll just remember the last two. We copied the full thing, but remember the last two. Or you can always go back and check later if you don't want to remember. That's fine too, but I just prefer to remember. It's a lot easier. So in Google, we want to type in IMEI check. This is the one I use right here, IMEIcheck.com. There's a bunch of other ones that say they're free, but then you use them and they give you a little bit of information and then they want to charge you for more information. Whereas IMEI check, at least at the time of this recording, gives you the most information for free from these websites that I found. So I'm going to tap on that. It is ad supported, so you're going to see lots of ads. There's a big ad right here. There's an ad down here that is often much bigger, but you can tap this little down arrow to collapse it. Then scroll down to where it says IMEI check in this little search field here. Tap in there again to paste in our code. Only does 13 digits. You notice the last two are gone because it added two spaces. It didn't add them. There's two spaces in the code in the settings. I don't know why. There just is. So now we're going to have to delete those two spaces and then tap back to the end, add the two numbers that we remembered, or you can just refer back to your settings to see those last two numbers and then tap on check IMEI. After 20 seconds or so, this should be done and you'll see if your phone is locked to any carriers. Here are the results, and aside from a whole bunch of other interesting info, you can see there's no carrier lock on this phone. So if I were to buy this used phone, I can take it to any carrier that I want, which is one of the reasons this type of search exists. If you want to quickly make sure your phone is scam-proof, click the link in the pinned comment down below. Next up, you probably want to check out this video right here, which shows you how to remove viruses on your phone. If there's any viruses or malware, you definitely want to get rid of them. This video shows you how to find them and how to remove them. So check out that video next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.